Okay, so we were dissecting the book The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and today we're going to look at the chapter 12, that is about the ultimate purpose of life. Okay, so what do you think? What is the ultimate purpose of life? I mean, yeah, up till here we have discovered a lot of important techniques to make our life a bit better, to improve the quality of our lives, and how can we relieve the stress that our everyday lives are are going around, right? So basically in this chapter we're going to see what is the ultimate purpose of life, and that is about contribution. The element of this chapter is the bright yellow flowers. In the previous chapter we saw that there was a sumo slammer who stumbled upon the golden stopwatch and he became unconscious, and when he gets up he sees that there are bright yellow flowers all over the garden, right? So the flowers here in this chapter are basically indicating the contribution that one does in his lifetime. I mean, we were born with nothing and we'll die with nothing, but what is that one thing that basically fulfills the purpose of our life? So that is contribution. How actively and how selflessly we are truly contributing towards the lives of others or towards world, right? So that is the lesson of this chapter, that the contribution that one does towards others or towards the society, towards world, that is what enlightens our life, and that is what fulfills the purpose of our life. So the element is the golden yellow flowers, and these are indicating our purpose. It is said that a little bit of fragrance always clings to the hand that gives you the roses. So if you become that hand that gives away the roses, then your hands will always be fragrant, because you'll become that kind of an individual. So to truly shed the shackles of self, to truly become selfless, to truly become generous, you need to be actively contributing towards the life of others. Most people face depression mostly because they feel that they're not truly contributing towards others, they're not truly contributing towards life. So that has to be our priority. No matter how busy we are, no matter how stressed we are, whenever possible we should always try to help others selflessly, right? So time and energy are the two most precious assets of everyone, so we must try to give away some of these whenever possible. Whenever someone asks for our help, we must be there for them, because we must not really look for any reward at the end, but we should be doing that because that will truly enlighten us, and by helping others we can truly help ourselves actually. So the summary of this book is that the symbol will be the yellow flowers, and the virtue will be to selflessly serve others, right? And the quality of your life ultimately comes down to the quality of your contribution, and the quantity as well. So they cultivate the sacredness of each day, live to give, right? By giving away you'll just feel. And one more thing that Yogi Raman taught Julian was that whenever each day, at the end of each day, whenever he was about to sleep, his father would come into his room and ask him what good deeds or what good for others on that particular day. And if he said no, I didn't do anything in particular, so his father would ask him to get up from the bed and go and perform some good deeds, so that his day would be fulfilled. Only that day is fulfilled in which you actually did something for others and not only for yourself. Like that is a complete, or that is a perfect day when you do something for others, and you will really feel good when you do that. So just practice the daily acts of kindness, give to those who ask for you, and cultivate your relationships by giving away your time and energy. The most noble thing that you can do is to give to others. Start focusing on your higher purpose, that is contribution. Like do something for others, towards society, and you'll feel good. That's all. So thanks for watching, and subscribe please, and like the video as well. That's all basically.